我係 Rex，
我係 Ray，歡迎收聽我哋嘅直播節目。
星期三又有馬跑啦，今次跑馬地，等我拍檔講下考眼光心水，到你嚟啦 Appin to Ray。
今次唔講新聞啦，根本無人會聽，直接講下考眼光選擇。一場1號魔法速遞，2場2號北海道，3場3號當家精彩，4場4號明天更好，5場5號凡凡有餘，6場1號紅愛射，7場5號平凡騎士，8場3號何好運，9場5號浪漫老窩。上次我4 win 3 place， 今次睇下我又會登死幾多啫。賽馬新聞講到呢度，交返俾我好拍檔嘅 Pinterest。
唔該晒 Ray， 希望你眼光準啲。如果唔係呢個節目等執笠啦。請記住本台並不鼓勵任何賭博行為。本節目內容所提及的馬匹、騎師或練馬師等名字，純粹係資料性提供或考眼光用途。請記住 Ray 眼光非常一般，只宜參考。下次賽馬節目時間再見，拜拜。
Mine's at 8. Thanks for spending your evening with us.
Good night.
Could you maybe not cut me off again? That's twice tonight.
You went long. I was keeping us on time.
Please, you.
Wait, camera.
Right, ha! What a show. Always a pleasure.
Absolutely.
See you tomorrow.